In the grand theater of global economics, where tariffs take center stage and investors clutch their playbills with white-knuckled anticipation, a new act unfolded today. Investors, always the drama enthusiasts, reacted with the expected gasps and fainting spells. But today, oh today, the narrative took a twist. Lutnick's comments acted like a soothing balm on the market's frazzled nerves. Pre-market trading saw companies like Ford, General Motors, and Tesla doing their best impressions of helium balloons, rising gracefully. It's amazing what a little hope can do. By 6:51 a.m. ET, key index futures were all smiles. The Dow E-minis, S&P 500 E-minis, and NASDAQ 100 E-minis all posted significant increases. It's as if they were saying, trade war? What trade war? Of course, the broader implications of these tariffs are still lurking in the background. Inflation, economic growth, corporate profits, all waiting in the wings, ready to make their grand entrance. U.S. stock futures, those fickle creatures, decided to don their party hats and dance a little jig. The S&P 500 has been on a bit of a roller coaster, dropping about 6% from its high. The NASDAQ, not wanting to be left out, has flirted with a nearly 10% decline. But today's news has given them a reason to pause their downward spiral. Investors are also keeping an eye on other economic indicators. The ADP employment report, ISM's services survey, and the Federal Reserve's beige book are all on the docket. It's like a buffet of data, and investors are trying to decide which dish to sample first. Major tech stocks, always the popular kids at the market's high school reunion, saw gains. Amazon and Meta both enjoyed a bit of pre-market sunshine. Chipmakers Nvidia and Broadcom also joined the festivities. It's as if the tech sector received a group text saying, "Good news, party at the stock exchange." The reason for this sudden bout of enthusiasm? However, not everyone got the invite. CrowdStrike and T-Mobile faced declines due to their own firm-specific dramas. Perhaps they didn't RSVP in time. In the end, the market is a complex play, filled with plot twists, dramatic monologues, and the occasional comic relief. Today's act was one of optimism, driven by the hope that tariff tensions might ease. Whether this hope turns into reality or remains a fleeting cameo is yet to be seen. But for now, investors are enjoying the show. Hints, whispers, and perhaps a well-placed nudge from Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick about potential tariff relief. Yes, dear reader, the mere suggestion that President Trump might ease tariffs on our neighbors, Canada and Mexico, has sent the markets into a tizzy. It's as if the markets are saying, tariff relief? Don't mind if we do. Now, let's rewind a bit. Not too long ago, in a move that had many clutching their wallets, President Trump slapped a 25% tariff on imports from Canada and Mexico. Items like cars and auto parts suddenly became the belles of the tariff ball.